Good morning. Welcome to Bolti Books with Anjali. Today we are going to learn something new in mathematics. We are going to add numbers using number line. This we discussed last week also. This week we are going to add numbers from 1 to 20. Let's first understand what is a number line, what is addition, and how to use number line for addition. In addition, we add two or more numbers. We learn addition in mathematics. We use the symbol of plus to show the addition of two numbers like 6 plus 5. And the result after addition what we get is sum of numbers. So this sum of numbers, total sum of numbers, we show it on the right hand side of the symbol of equal to. So over here we will say 6 plus 5 is equal to how much? 11. Now let's revise what is number line. Number line is a line on which we show or mark numbers. All the numbers are marked at equal distance. We can keep on increasing the number lines towards the right hand side. We mark the numbers in the sequence in the increasing order. That is, the smallest number comes on the left side, and as we move towards the right side, the number keep on increasing. You can see the blue line shown here. All the numbers are marked at equal distance and they are increasing from left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We can keep on increasing these numbers or the number line. Now we will use it for addition. Let's first solve 10 plus 2 is equal to what? And we will use number line. The person has to stand at the first number that we have to add, that is 10. So this person will stand at 10. ये व्यक्ति 10 नंबर पे खड़ा होगा and then he will jump 2 times. 2 बार जंप करेगा. 10 नंबर पे खड़ा होगा और 2 बार जंप करेगा. 2 टाइम्स जंप करेगा. नंबर 10 पे खड़े होके 2 टाइम्स जंप करना है. 10 में हम 2 ऐड कर रहे हैं. 10 प्लस 2. तो मैं फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ. 10 पे खड़े होके 2 टाइम्स जंप करना है और हमें आंसर मिलेगा 12. Okay? So the answer is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Next question, 12 plus 3 is equal to what? Again, on the number line, the person will stand at number 12 and we have to add 3. So, we will jump 3 times. From 12, we'll go to 13, then 14 and finally add 15. So, the answer for 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So the answer for 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Next question is 7 plus 6 is equal to what? Now you tell me what is to be done. The person will stand at number 7 and will jump at 6 times. So the person will stand at number 7, will jump 6 times and will reach the number 13. The answer is 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Next question. 9 plus 5 is equal to what? The person will stand at number 9 and will jump 5 places towards the right hand side. Since we are adding, the person will jump at towards the right hand side. जब एडिशन होता है तो नंबर लाइन में हम राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ मूव करते हैं. Answer will be 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Question 5. 9 plus 7 is equal to what? Now tell me at what position the person will stand. कहाँ पे खड़ा करोगे उसे? 9 number पे. Right. और कितना बार jump करोगे? How many times you are going to jump? 7 times. So if a person stands on 9 and jumps 7 times, that person will reach number 16. Answer is 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Now try to solve few questions on your own. 8 plus 7 is equal to what? At what position the person will stand? How many times the person will jump? And in which direction that person will jump? The person stands at number 8. The person jumps 7 times and that person will move towards the right hand side. So, standing at 8, jumping 7 times towards the right hand side will give you 15. Answer is 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Next question. 11 plus 6 is equal to what? At what position that person will stand? How many times that person will jump? Answer is the person stands at position 11, will jump 6 times to reach 17. 13 plus 6 is equal to what? The person stands at number 13, will jump 6 times, will reach number 19 and the person will move towards the right hand side. 5 plus 9 is equal to what? The person stands at number 5, jumps 9 times to reach number 14 and will move in the direction right hand side. Last question for today. 10 plus 10 is equal to what? At what position the person will stand? How many times that person will jump? And in which direction that person will jump? The person stands at number 10, jumps 10 times to reach number 20 and the direction is towards right hand side. 10 पे खड़ा होना है, 10 टाइम्स जंप करना है और राइट हैंड साइड डायरेक्शन में जंप करना है। तो आपने आज 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट वीक फिर मिलेंगे। अब की बार हम सीखेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑन द नंबर लाइन। सी यू।